friends, my name is Janvi Choksi. In this video, we are going to learn about number series. Number series are the part of verbal reasoning. What is verbal reasoning and what is non-verbal reasoning, that I have explained you in my previous video. So you can check it from that. Now the first number series is 10, 100, 200, 310 and question mark. Okay. So what we have to do in this? First of all, we need to find out the relationship between the two adjacent numbers. Okay. So here, which are the adjacent numbers? 10 and 100 are adjacent numbers. 100 and 200 are adjacent numbers. And so on. Okay. Now, what is the relationship between 10 and 100? Plus 90. What is it? Plus 90. Then the relationship between 100 and 200 is plus 100. Okay. Then the relation between 200 and 310 is 110. When 110 is added into 200, we get 310. So here if you see with the concentration, that plus 90, then we add 100, then we add 110. So the difference between the two consecutive terms in this series is 10, 10. So that means that now in 110, you need to add 10. Okay. So what we get? 120. So 310 plus 120. What you have to do, friends? 310 plus 120. So what we will get? We will get 430. We will get 430. Now, the next number series is really interesting. 5824, 5242, question mark, 4247, 3823. Okay. So what we are going to do here? Here, every term in this series is obtained by subtracting from the preceding term the number which is formed by first three digits of that preceding term. Meaning that 5242 is obtained by subtracting 582 from 5824. Okay. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 4718. Fine, friends. Similarly, if we get 4247, which is the next term. So how we have got that? We have got 4247 from subtracting 471, which is the number formed by first three digits from preceding term, which is the preceding term of this number, 4718. So 4247 is obtained by subtracting 471 from 4718. Okay. So this way it is working. Fine. Now the next pattern is 6, 18, 3, 21, 7, 56 and question mark. So here, if you see with the concentration, then you will find that the numbers placed at even positions, that is the second position, fourth position and the sixth position, are the products of the two adjacent numbers. Here you can see that 18 is the adjacent number of 6 and 3. Fine. 21 is the adjacent number of 3 and 7. So 18 is a product of its two adjacent numbers, 6 and 3. 21 is a product of its two adjacent numbers, 3 and 7. And 56 is a product of its two adjacent numbers. 1 has been given 7. So here what will be the answer? It's so simple. Friends, it would be 8. Fine. Fourth series is 11, 10, question mark, 100, 11, 1001, 1000 and 10,001. Okay. So what is the relation between the adjacent numbers here? 11 and 10. So we can write -1. Okay. Then 10 and question mark. So here the relation we do not know. Then question mark and 100. So again question mark. Then 100 and 1001. So what is the relation here? 100 multiplied by 10 is 1000 and 1000 plus 1 is 1001. So what is the relation over here? Multiply by 10 plus 1. Okay. Then 1001 and 1000. So what is the relation? -1. Then 1000 and 10,001. So what is the relation here? Again multiply by 10 plus 1, because 1000 multiplied by 10 is 10,000 and 10,000 plus 1 is 10,001. Okay. So is equal to multiply by 10 plus 1. Fine. So this way now which pattern is going on continuously? -1 plus -1, then multiply by 10 plus 1. Then -1, then multiply by 10 plus 1. -1, multiply by 10 plus 1. This series is continuously repeating again and again. Okay. So that's why we will write here -1 and then multiply by 10 plus 1. So 10 multiplied by 10 is 100 and 100 plus 1 is 101. So the answer would be 101, friends. Fine. And then again 101 minus 1 would be 100. So that way the pattern continuously is repeating. Fine. Now the next pattern is 2, 12, 36, 80 and 150. Okay. So here what we will do, we will find out the relation between the next two numbers. So that is what? Plus 10. Then 12 and 36. So what is the relation? 24. 36 and 80. So what is the relation, friends? 44 plus 44. Okay. Then here 80 and 150. So what is the relation? 70. Now here if we see with the concentration, then we will find that this series will form the triangular pattern series. Triangular pattern series. What is the meaning of triangular pattern series? When the difference between the two consecutive terms, okay, of the series is such that it forms a new series. Okay, and then when the difference between the consecutive terms of the second series forms a third series. Okay, and then it continuously forms on till we get the uniform difference between the consecutive terms of that series. Okay, this pattern will continuously go on till we get the uniform difference between the two consecutive numbers of the series. Okay, let's see how. So here 10 and 24. So we will write plus 14. 24 and 44. So we will write plus 20. Then 44 and 70. Fine. So we will write plus 24. Plus 26. Okay. Now 14, 20 and 26. Till we have to continue the pattern. Why? Because the difference between the two consecutive patterns is not uniform over here. Okay. So 14 and 20. So what is the difference here? 6. And 20 and 26. So 6. So there are two methods to solve this pattern, and both the methods we will learn over here. So first method is here plus 6 and plus 6. So next also would be plus 6. Fine. So 26 plus 6 is 32. So here it should be plus 32. Here it is plus 32. So plus 32 will be added into 70. Okay. So it would be what? It would be 102. And then this 102 will be added into 150. And the resulting answer will be 252. Okay. This is the one method of solving this. And the another method of solving this is you can directly add 6 into 26 plus 70 plus 150. What you do? 150 plus 70 plus 26 plus 6. Fine. So is equal to 150 plus 70 is what? 220. 220 plus 32. 220 plus 32 is 252. So in both the methods, the answer is same. Okay, so this way you can learn the flexibility in maths. What is flexibility? That one sum we should be able to solve by more than one methods. Okay? In the next video, we will learn about arithmetic progression and geometric progression and the patterns related to them. So if you have liked this video, so please press like, subscribe my channel and share with more people as you can. Thank you so much.